Hi, this is Jim Barfield from OLI Systems. We have a quick video today. One of our users called up with a problem in that he wasn't able to do a composition survey using water as his varied component. And he said he came from a stream that was generated from the water analysis feature. So we're going to show you what actually happened in this case and how to fix it. So we're going to just start off with a very simple water analysis. It's just going to be 25 degrees. Let's go change the names to formulas. We'll put in 23,000 milligrams per liter of sodium ion and 35,000 milligrams per liter of chloride ion. This is approximately 1 mole of each. We'll add a reconcile to this and we'll go ahead and calculate it. It happens fairly quickly, which is why I picked this very simple system. Okay, we've calculated it. A lot of additional detail here. The normal way we would then operate the software is then we would add this as a stream. Okay, and we'll just use the default name. We'll take all the phases, and then we have the stream here. And you can see it's just milligrams of liter of sodium chloride, which is approximately 1 mole of sodium chloride, but that's not the point here. I'm now going to add a survey, and we're going to pick a composition survey. And when the program is complaining that I'm missing something, and what I'm missing here is a variable to vary, I'll use the specs button to do that. At least I thought I used my specs button. There it is. And you can see the only component to vary here is sodium chloride. The user actually wanted to vary water because they're simulating an evaporator, but water is not here. And the problem goes all the way back to the reconcile. The amount of the liquid here is set to 1 liter. We are actually going to adjust that exactly to be 1 liter of solution by adjusting water. You may notice that water is yellow here in this neutral section, which means it cannot be added or removed. That means you cannot enter a value for it. The program is going to automatically adjust it to make exactly 1 liter because we are in the milligrams per liter concentration scale. In the molecular export, that what we actually created a stream, it's still in milligrams per liter and 1 liter. That means the program is still going to use water. You can see it's also yellowed out here, preventing you from adjusting it, because we're going to use water to make it exactly the stream amount, in this case 1 liter. That's also true in the survey. So the way to fix this is to go back to the molecular export and change the units to mass units or mole units. I'm going to pick mole units here. Everything changes to moles. There he is. This is my approximately 1 mole. I now have water is no longer a yellow field. So when I go into the survey, I can actually select water as my component. I can change my range. Here we'll go from, it's starting out at nearly 55 moles. We'll go down to 1 mole, so forth. The decrement, we'll do that in 10 steps or so, and we can now run it, and it's done. So the problem here is that it was in moles. It was in milligrams per liter, which is volumetric units, and they have to be changed to mole or mass units to allow it to show up as a variable to be adjusted. Thank you.